Let's meet Mr. Richard from Covina. He is working in a reputed business firm there. Few days ago, his cell phone suddenly fell from his hand and the screen got damaged. With his broken screen cell phone, he hardly managed his daily important works, like sending emails, reading texts and more. Best cell phone repair shop near him to replace the broken screen. At the same time, one of his office colleagues suggested him to take the professional assistance of iTech Xpress. All kinds of cell phone repair services at reasonable prices. He was excited to know that they provide free repair estimates after evaluating the broken device. Without wasting his time, he immediately visited the store and availed their professional phone repair services. They replaced the broken screen within the same day and returned back the device in proper working condition. Mr. Richard is very happy now to get back his valuable cell phone in proper condition. If you are in same situation, contact them now by dialing 626 777 4747.